Good morning, students. This is our social science class. Welcome, you all are welcome to social science class. Now we will learn about the Unit 2 landforms. Then previous class we learned the first type of land, Kurunji lands. You learned that. Now we learn about the second one. Where would you see wild animals with more trees? You see the forest. Now we will learn the forest region. Forest region name is Mullai. Mullai forest land. A large area covered by trees is called forest. The Mullai land is covered with large areas of trees. It is also called as Sembulam in red soil. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. Next we will see the themes of Mullai. The people of Mullai was called as Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar and Aichiyar. The god of Mullai, Thirumal. Peoples called Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Plant Goa. Musical instruments Mullai Yal. Then previous video you already see the Yal. Kurunji Yal you already see that. The Mullai Yal also the same. Then next occupations of Mullai regions. Cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. Next, animals, bear, rabbits. Soil, red soil with stone and purples. Flower, mullai. You all see these pictures? Then next we learn the forest in Tamil Nadu. Chola forest. It is located in Coimbatore and Nilgiris. This picture is Chola forest. Then next Reserve forest. It was located in Kanyakumari district. This forest name is Kirai Parai Reserve. This reserve for name is Kirai Parai Reserve Forest. It was located in Kanyakumari district. Then next forest, Malai Forest. It was located in Nilgiri districts. The next one, Mangrove Forest in Pichavaram. It is located in Kadalur district. Pichavaram is a village near Sidambaram in Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu. Okay, now we will see the forest. You already see the pictures, now we will read it. Mangrove Forest, Pichavaram in Kadalur, Malai Forest, Nilgiris district, Reserve Forest, Kanyakumari district, Chola Forest, Coimbatore and Nilgiri districts. Then next we will see the manufactured products and use the trees used to produce. Which products use which trees? The next you see that. Manufactured products. Paper. Paper is produced to use the trees. Bamboo. Next, safety match. Safety match is Mul Ilavu tree. Fragrant soil, sandal tree. balm, soap, neem and pungam trees. Did you understand this? Then next you learn for the Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram is a village near Sidambaram in Kudalur district. It is the second largest mangrove forest in India. This is the very biggest mangrove forest, largest forest, mangrove forest. The aquatic animals live in the moist temperatures. It comprises of small vegetations, aquatic animals, etc. Okay, did you understand this lesson, students? It's a very important. You learn very well for this lessons. Then next video we will mark this question answers. I know you all understand for this lesson. Okay, thank you, students.